The Lemonade Hurricane. My name is Emma. My days are busy and full. Sometimes I like to stop and rest. This is Henry. Henry likes to run, wrestle, roll, and drink lemonade. I call him the Lemonade Hurricane. Rah! Henry's days are busy and full, sometimes too busy and too full. Then Henry gets wild. When Henry gets like this, I try to stay out at the way, but it doesn't always work. I really don't like hurricanes. I wish Henry could calm down sometimes. I wish I could show him how. Then we could play together. Henry's fun when he's not a hurricane. Maybe I can show Henry how to be still. The next day, what this? I say. Sit, bow, breathe, breathe. When I sit, I can feel the ground beneath me. I can hear birds chirping. I can smell the grass. Poke. Then I bow, pretend that I am on top of a mountain and can see for miles and miles. And when I breathe, I pretend I'm the wind moving the leaves in the trees. I can do it too, say Henry. Henry pretends he is on top of the elephant and has to bow really slowly so he does not fall off. Look, listen, feel, breathe. I take deep breath. Henry takes deep breath. We look, listen, feel, and smell. The Lemonade Hurricane is gone. The end.